in today's topic we are going to understand about the installation and the login process for the VityBoard. So to do that, let's open the browser and you need to go to VityBoard.com. Now here we can see there is a download now button, or you can just click upon this link as well. It will get you to this same page, and here we are going to download this exe. Alright, and this is basically at this point for the Windows 10 and 11 machine. Alright, so as you can see the download is complete, so let's go to that folder where this exe is downloaded, and as you can see the exe is here. So let's start the installation. All you have to do is just double click upon the exe. Let's wait for the exe to get launched because it's going to unwrap the exe. Okay, so at the installation you are going to get the two options, whether you would like to install for yourself or you would like to install for anyone. So this is for example, your PC is being shared by your siblings, or like multiple users on the same machine, and they all want to use this software. Then you can use anyone in their login, they can run this software, right? But if you are the only one using your machine, then it is best option to use only for me. All right, after that click upon next. Now it will choose the path where it is going to install. Let it be as default, then install. It will take some time, so it might be about a minute or two. It's totally depend upon the process and the memory you have on your machine. Alright, now installation is completed and it took about 2 to 3 minutes to get this installed. Now you have the two options after installation. Let me go to the desktop. Either you can just start this first time by using this run wizard and finish, or you can just start from the desktop, which is shortcut has been created. So in our case, let's start with right away. Alright, now after launching you are going to get the authentication screen. So if you have the login like credential already, you can just log in, or you can create a new user by using the create account. So let me also show you the other way to create the account. So if you go to like VityBoard.com, and there is a free trial if you want to use for 7 days. Here you can create your username and password, but you can also just click upon this create account. So just click upon create account and it will take us to the same screen. Now here we can create the account. Right, now I'd like to share one information about the creating the account, because sometimes user what they do, they use temporary account or temporary email, or maybe like fake email sometime. The problem with that is when you are going to face any technical issue, you are going to communicate with us, we are going to communicate back to you on that same email. But if that is something temporary email, then you might not going to get the notification or the information we are going to share you, right? Or let's say in future you're going to forget your password, that link is also going to share on the same email. So make sure whatever the email ID you are going to use for creating the account, it has to be legit, or you should be having the access that you can get the email. All right, so in my case let's create the account. So I'm going to use which is test VityBoard. Okay, now let me put some test as a vity@vity.com. this is my email, and in password I can set as per me. Right, now just click upon the sign up now. So it is going to get sign up and it is going to show all the information. All right, this is my name, or it could be your name, and it's going to give you the information about your the license type, which is trial right now, 7 days left, and when did you register and everything like that. And you can also upgrade your plan, or you can go to like a support page, you can access from here. Now let's do the login with the account we created. So account was test vity@vityboard.com. Right, and the password Then after that, do the secure login. It's going to log in with our authentication server, and the credential what is sent is totally like secure. It is not something like open to the public. It is always going to be encrypted. Now after doing the login, you are going to get this dashboard, and it's very simple, right? You can just click upon create new project and you can start your creativity from here itself, and you should be inside that project in few seconds. So here, now in the next video we are going to understand upon how this project works. All right, so this is only for the installation and the login process. So I'll see you in the next video.